My people, how now day? Una welcome to today's Ugogas News. My name is Stephen A.U. David, the Aramial one of the universe. My people, today I'm not today happy. And they happy, I'm not happy because of so many things when they happen. Because the thing, a guy be, whatever I think about, a guy they do me for body. This news when I want to talk, so this news mostly concern the people when they visit the day Europe, especially the one when they visit the day Italy. That's why I say it affect most people when they Europe, but this one particular now Italy, now I want to talk to people when they visit the Italy. So now I get this news when I want to talk. My people, the matter when they board, before we go, in fact, before we go, make we first of all do my hair, you know how they do one. In case you never subscribe or now today be the first time when you see our channel, they see this kind of news. My people, we they subscribe for this side because we know now we help ourselves. May you help me, you subscribe so that anytime when we say they put on, you will see them. After they drop on, you will just see them. So the YouTube will see the rate so that the thing will grow. You understand now? Help your brother, me your brother help you. Now so. As we do and so, make we just work out go the inside the news, make we see how the matter will be. My people, the news of today, when it be say what they talk about, in fact, the thing, in fact, as I first talk and say, the thing guy be for my body, it really guy be. We don't want to talk about the passport, Nigeria passport. Nigeria passport, the way we tell they work out for Italy, now the matter when they bought. Because Nigeria embassy, when you did Italy, Rome, now Rome, then Nigeria embassy did for Italy. Now, the thing when they happen for there, a guy be, they won't be say the Nigerians till they make Nigerians poor the more. When they extract money from Nigerians, it's not good at all. A guy be for I. Because this when they happen for that place, we as we see and we ask ourselves question, say these people now true Nigerians now they that embassy. I ask now, sure say that Nigerian people they did that embassy because the way when their heart stay black, the way they say their heart stay black when they say they know they think about somebody for anything whether they do, it can't be. First, in Nigerian embassy, let me first of all come. Let's do that. We understand how the thing it be. In Nigeria passport, the official price for the money when it be say Nigeria government approve is $94, and then the transit charge is $12, which make the total amount of money to be $106. As the total amount of money when we say Nigeria say make you pay is $106. That's about 90 euro. Not even up to 100 euro. Now that amount of money, Nigeria government official price when you supposed to do your international passport. But in Italy, people go apply. If you apply by yourself, say you know how to apply, you apply by yourself, you get problem. Because after you don't apply finish, they supposed to send you your completing date, the date we will take go to print. That one they don't agree send out to you. Like, even when you don't submit and don't do everything is finished, for you to come and complete for the biometric, make they take capture your fingerprint and everything. They don't agree send out to you. If you send the email, they will say the server not the work. If anything when you try until you go to that embassy to see them, find out the problem when you did to say now this one. Now it make me come. What it make you? Una not send me completing date. That is if you know how to actually apply by yourself. But if you don't know how to apply by yourself, you say okay, you want make you do one. Nigerians, the Nigerians, see when you not reach for 100 euro, they will bill you 400, 500, 600 euro for you to do Nigeria passport. And this one are people when you be saying they don't even get work. They don't get what they do. I don't know why Nigerian people we are too wicked to Nigerians. Why would they wicked to ourselves? Why? I don't understand that. Then they will say you pay 400, 500 euro so that for them to do it for you. You go still do that one finish. Embassy will still they wait for you because when you still go embassy another problem. So in case you listen and you by yourself or anybody, you can't go embassy. Now where the matter really deep with this one. Then when you can't reach embassy will come first of all tell you. First, before you first enter, because they know what they want to do for inside, what they inside, what they do. They first of all sees everything when you be say you hold all your phone. If now 12 hours you spend with them, if now 2 hours only that day they will make you uncommunicado. Say you know if you receive call, you know if you call. You will first of all off your phone, keep out for that place. I don't know why. Because they know say people get inside. May person not record down, may person not do anything, and may they don't know what they happen for inside that place, which is very, very wrong. How can person call because say he can't do passport? You know, if he call person or if he call her, if na person will be say a boss of his business, now phone you tell the doer that day, you know, if he do anything or to do business, because somebody inside that place get when they do when not many people see. Now you come enter inside. As you enter inside, the first thing when they will tell you, say, may you first do this one. Which thing they call them? They say, this paper, now this one. They go say, may you go do this paper, this one, this paper. Say, nationality. What thing they use this paper do? They go write up for them say that within 1 year, 9 go day. Now you go feel use them within 1 year. Now this paper don't get anything where they use them do. You not go feel submit for any office. Even Nigeria now you not get anything you want to do. You go pay 50 euro for this paper. First. Now after you don't pay that one, now okay. The reason why they don't give me date, they'll tell you say now they will come advise you. oh God. Now they will come advise you, make you do instant printing, instant passport. They call it urgent. They will come bill you extra money for you to print. You don't have to pay for online no. That is for people who don't have to pay online no. They'll come charge you for extra 200 or 250 euro. They'll come charge you again. Say you want to print. By the time you don't print finish, they'll say you go house. Anytime when the title they'll send a call for you. Instant to print 3 months you never see him. Why would they wicked? They will make you say, make you write letter. Whether you go school, you don't go school, somebody. Those people when they outside there, what did they do there? The people when all those one when they outside when they waka, they find person when they say they want squander money for your hand. What did they do for embassy in front of embassy? What did they do? They go make sure say those people now they write a letter give you say what you want use and do. Even if you go school, you be lawyer, you be professor, they must be the one that will write the letter because if they want paper when you be say now only then I get access to the paper that they go write and put give you, you go pay to write that letter. So we'll collect 20 euro, so we'll collect 30 euro for you to write letter. The reason why you need passport. Why they talk this news now? Why they talk this thing? Are they call the Nigeria embassy? Are they call the ambassador? In fact, are they call the Nigeria community Nuna? These things when it be say, will be president, you will be una they represent us now, una they prophesy ever over the affair of Nigerians in Italy. Why be say una never talk about this matter? Why? Why be say wetin una dey gain for inside the Nuna executive? What gain una dey gain when make una keep quiet for this issue? This thing not there for long now. When it be say Nigerians in Italy, the passport might be their problem. Even if you want to renew your document now, they need your Nigerian passport. 6 months you never see them. Your document will expire. Sometimes you will lose the document. I don't know why they are wicked like this. And they call the Nigeria embassy. And they call the Union executive. Please, make una change this situation. Nigerians are not happy about it. Now, this president had also come again to call the Concerned Nigeria Forum. I don't say I felt call una that day, una coffee answer the matter say una they do about the post pay, which we see the wait the result. This one another thing I want supposed to do. I beg all of una when they say una did that forum. It's a progressive forum. The Concern Nigeria forum. Please make una write letter. In fact, anything una go fit do, make una do. I make sure say this matter. If na take when we say Nigerians to come and say we not go agree, we not go agree, lie, we not go make una do one. Make una make sure say this thing not the way it's supposed to be, make it be say like they be. Nigerians they don't even get work. Yet now they pay high passport. All the nationality in Italy. Why? Now they go pay high, they not go see Siam. The middleman, if you want to do passport, middleman was there. I don't understand that. Middleman was there for you to do passport. Why? And they call off now because if they get where you reach when you be saying Nigerians, Nigeria not they could talk, but when they start to talk, I know what will happen. NSAS process, is it process? No, it's protest. NSAS protest is one of the example. Make una do it right this period now. Make it be say this passport issue. Make una solve the issue. Make it be say people when they need passport they will get on time. And they go pay money when it's supposed to be. This one when it be say they copy extra money, big money, it's not good at all. Now bad name, now they give us. My people, and so we see and now we say, but we got tell now, say with the verse for this side. Before I go meet elders corner, make I first of all tell now, say the elders when they corner, then the verse. Now people now say come, because say make I can't tell now. Now so we see and reach, now we come to come, make we go to the other news. My people, this news when I want to talk now still people when they Italy. This one are for people when it be say now that they carry goods they come from Nigeria, most especially. And they tell now I want to talk to now because things when they happen, when it be say now Nigeria and they extract Nigeria and then they collect money when it be say Nigeria never see. I don't know why we they greedy. I don't know why we everything we they do we must make sure say we do things for ourselves alone, and even the other people they suffer, not concern us. So I did not talk about the people when they say that they carry load come from Nigeria. Some they will just go Nigeria, they go on their own, they go visit their family or they go do something. But if they come, somebody can call, they say, okay, you help me bring something, come. If you they come, then they will come bring the thing come. Also, when you be saying a business, now they don't do, then they go, they carry cargo, they go, they carry come. So now these people, now I want to talk this news now. Make una listen well. Because what you know they do, it don't reach us, say, it's not good at all. Until they do this thing and it's bad. It's bad. What is bad, it's bad. So, this thing happened, start the time when it be say, they do lockdown. Last year 2020 when they say they do lockdown, when they say Okorofu everywhere, the government can't lock down everywhere, even international flights they can't lock down. That time now 9 euro now they bring something come from Nigeria. They go say now 9 euro you go pay for a kilo. Now when that lockdown can't come, flights not come they move where things not come there as be. They can move out from 9 euro, they can't go put out for 15 euro. This is why they talk now, most especially in Napoli. They call a mover from 9 euro, they come put down for 15 euro. Now when they put down for 15 euro, people can say, okay, we understand. Because flights not there. Now since they don't open this airspace, these people when they carry and go 15 euro, they refuse to bring them back to 9 euro when the fair day. Now 9 euro they take for carry and go 15 euro. Now when it is everything don't they okay, then they go now they come normal. They not bring them back to 9 euro when the fair day, when we say the fair day collect. Now we come they try to find out the reason why BC people they do this kind of thing. We come find out say now greed. The truth of the matter say now greed. Okay, maybe we do the analysis. Maybe we see how the matter they be. Because the people when you want carry load come. I'm not there against say you make profit too, because anybody when you do business should make profit. But when you be say you want to make profit, you can't make over 400% profit. It's a sin and it's a criminal act. Now first, you first get extra luggage like about 20 to 25 kilo when you fit carry when you know people, because you want enter flights, those one are just normal, say you don't go pay am. Now the extra luggage when you carry, the load, how much you dey pay for airport? In Nigeria, if you get a 32 kilo, you pay 33,000 naira. 32 kilo, you pay 33,000 naira, which is about 60 euro, which is by 60 euro, which you pay for that 33 kilo. Now you come to Europe, you come to Italy, you come to Napoli. Now they collect 15 euro per a kilo. 15 euro per a kilo. For waiting you use 60 euro take carry for 32 kilo. Now you are collecting about 495 euro from people hand. Is that not criminal? Waiting you pay 60 euro. 60 euro now you take carry on. Now you are collecting 495 euro. No, look me, just look straight to me now. Look straight to me and tell me, see, whether that one will be criminal, whether that one no worse pass Buhari government, whether that one no worse pass what the National Assembly they do. No, we go sit down here, we go call people, they tell government, we not do this, we not do that, but our the one we they do to our fellow Nigerian fellow brother, it was pass. Some of you will collect 15 euro, so we even add Jonah. I don't say someday when they collect 10 or 13 or 12, but the majority they collect 15 euro. I don't understand that. For waiting, you carry for how much? 400 euro profit. That's 400%. Over 400 euro profit. Me not take it easy. Una not say una brother and sister when they here, they work when they do. They don't even go work. Now struggle or they struggle. So why you go open eye? Why you go open eye your fellow brother? You go squander waiting, you squander waiting they hand. In the name of saying you bring something come for them. This is bad. Nigeria they call now. Make una get this human sympathy. Make una do it right. Make una they do it right. I don't understand that why somebody will open eye collect such amount of money from people simply because you bring something comfort. If now one person now you just carry 32 kilo comfort, that means the person will not pay for your flight to and fro. How much be your flight when you take go come? When you collect this kind of money from person hand? It is bad and it is wrong. They will call it bad, they will call it wrong. They could not change your character, they could not change your mindset. When I carry the money, go back to 9 euro, won't affect the carry. Not na carry and go back to 9 euro. Government don't increase them. You not get what happen when you say, we not take put on for 15 euro. 9 euro won't affect the carry. We first talk and say even too big. Now we carry and put for 15 euro. Not na carry and go back because people when you date this country, all of them don't they cry for my ears say, hey you David, when you talk about this thing, a guy be with the suffer. They will talk about it. Now make me come out because they tell me now. Make una carry and go back to that amount of money when it be say if especially people when you did Napoli. Make una carry and go back to that money and the first from now. Make una carry and go back before I shout for here. Because if I come out and say when I do I go back person here. Then you calm down. Then you calm down. Okay, make her calm down. Before I back person here. If not. Okay. May I drink water? On a serious note, please take it back to the amount of money when it be. Because if only you rich, the people around you are poor. You still poor. You are endangering your life. My people, now so we see our rich, now we say we can't tell now, we can't beg our people, make them do it in very right. In case you today you never subscribe, which is the way for make you subscribe. If you never follow on all our social media handle, it's AU David on the YouTube, YouTube now, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, even on WhatsApp. Just like AU David, you go see her. The thing will just show. Then you will follow us. My people, so that anytime when we do, if you don't see her for this side, you go see her for this side. And I will say we will make you follow us. But till we meet, we gonna remain blessed. Peace out.